Hi guys, Gail Sylvester here. Your mortgage, are you talking fixed rates or are you talking variable rates? And do you know the difference? And do you know how those interest rates are calculated and how they're set? They're actually based on two different markets, and most people don't know that because most people think if one changes, they all change, but it's actually not the case. So if we look at a variable rate mortgage, that is based on the Bank of Canada, which is our prime lending rate. So the Bank of Canada, they can meet up to 8 times a year. And based on that, there is the potential for changes, potentially up to 8 times a year. Generally doesn't happen. And if the Bank of Canada does change the prime lending rate, it's usually 0.25% at a time. So what does that mean for you? Based on current rate of 2.45, if you have a discount on your mortgage where you're at 0.5% below prime, your interest rate right now is 1.95. And that is subject to change based on where the prime rate goes. So if it increases, you increase with it. If it decreases, you decrease with it. Your discount always remains the same. So at any time throughout that contract, you do have the option to convert to a fixed with no penalties. You just have to sign some documents. It's actually pretty easy, but it's always good to have a conversation prior to doing that to make sure you do it properly and it doesn't cost you extra money in fees if you decide to break your contract, whether that be moving or refinancing. So that's our variable rate mortgage. If we talk about our fixed rate mortgages, those interest rates are calculated based on the bond market. So it's two completely different ways in terms of how the interest rates are set, and it's two totally different products. Because on the fixed rate, now you're actually paying a bit of a premium on that rate because you want the security of no changes. Your mortgage payment and your mortgage rate is not going to change for the term of the mortgage. So if you take a 5-year term, that you know for the next 5 years exactly what your payments are going to be. And that's the comfort of having the fixed rate mortgage. So you're paying a bit of a security to have that, and that's just peace of mind. Variable is not for everybody, but fixed isn't for everybody either. So if you have any questions as to what's suitable to you, let's chat. More than happy to help. We'll talk soon.